Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you today.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Today, we will talk about something very important.
Yes, we will talk about daily routines
Daily routines. That means the things you do every day.
every day, like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work.
Exactly. These are simple activities, but very useful to learn in English.
So today, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Are you ready?
Great. Before we start, please click the like button.
Yes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Okay, let's begin.
Morning routine. Paul, let me ask you a question.
Sure, what is it?
What do you do in the morning?
Good question. Well, every morning I wake up.
You wake up, that means you open your eyes and get out of bed.
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock in the morning.
Right, what about you, Emily? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, it is. I like to wake up early.
Okay, everyone, let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up.
Say it with us. I wake up.
Good. Now say, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great job. Now tell us, what time do you wake up? Write in the comments.
Yes, we want to know. Do you wake up early or late?
Okay, after I wake up, what do I do next?
Let me guess. Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Brushing your teeth is very important.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Me too. I brush my teeth every morning and every night.
Very good. Let's practice again. Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Now say, I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Perfect. Everyone, do you brush your teeth every morning?
I hope so.
After I brush my teeth, I take a shower.
A shower. That means you wash your body with water.
Yes! I take a shower every morning. It helps me feel fresh.
Fresh means clean and awake.
I take a shower for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. That's quick.
Yes! What about you, Emily?
I take a shower too, but I take a shower at night before bed.
Oh, so you take a shower at night?
Yes. Some people take a shower in the morning, some at night.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Okay, let's practice. Repeat. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Now say, I take a shower every morning.
I take a shower every morning.
Good. Or you can say, I take a shower at night.
I take a shower at night.
Excellent. When do you take a shower? Morning or night? Write in the comments.
We want to know.
Okay, Paul. After your shower, what do you do?
After my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed. That means you put on your clothes.
Yes! I get dressed. I put on my shirt, my pants, my socks.
And your shoes.
Yes! I get dressed every morning after my shower.
Me too. I get dressed after I take a shower.
Let's practice. Say, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Now say, I get dressed after my shower.
I get dressed after my shower.
Very good.
Breakfast time. Paul, after you get dressed, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm always hungry in the morning.
So what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Breakfast. That's the first meal of the day.
Yes, breakfast is very important.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Well, I usually eat bread with butt,
Bread with butter. Yum.
and I drink coffee.
Coffee. You like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I drink coffee every morning.
I like tea. I drink tea every morning.
Tea is good too.
Okay, everyone, let's practice. Say, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Now say, I eat breakfast every morning.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Great. Now tell us, what do you eat for breakfast? Bread, eggs, cereal?
Write in the comments. We're curious.
After breakfast, what do you do, Paul?
After breakfast, I drink my coffee and I read the news.
The news on your phone?
Yes. On my phone, I read the news for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes. That's nice.
What about you, Emily?
After breakfast, I check my emails.
You check your emails?
Yes, I check my work emails on my computer.
That's smart! Going to work/school. Okay, Emily. After breakfast, it's time to go to work.
Yes, I leave my house at 8 o'clock.
You leave your house. That means you go out and close the door.
Yes, I leave my house at 8 o'clock in the morning.
How do you go to work? By car? By bus?
I go to work by bus.
By bus! That's good.
Yes, I take the bus every day. The bus comes at 8:10.
8:10. What about you, Paul? How do you go to work? I go to work by car.
By car, do you drive?
Yes, I drive my car to work every day.
That's nice.
The drive takes about 20 minutes.
20 minutes, not too long.
No, not too long.
Okay, let's practice. Repeat, I go to work.
I go to work.
Now say, I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Or say, I go to work by car.
I go to work by car.
Perfect. How do you go to work or school? By bus? By car? By bike? On foot?
Tell us in the comments.
I arrive at work at 8:30.
8:30. And what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yes, I work from 9 to 5.
9 to 5? That's a normal work day.
Yes. What about you? 4:30. So you finish a little earlier.
Yes.
Lunchtime. Paul, let's talk about lunch.
Oh, yes. Lunch. I love lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Usually around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock.
What time do you eat lunch, Paul?
I eat lunch at 12:30. 12:30.
Where do you eat lunch? At a restaurant?
No, I eat lunch at my office.
At your office?
Yes. I bring my lunch from home.
You bring your lunch. That means you prepare food at home and take it to work.
Exactly. I usually bring a sandwich and some fruit.
A sandwich and fruit. Healthy.
Yes. What about you, Emily?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? Where do you eat?
Sometimes I eat at my office, sometimes I go to a small cafe.
A cafe. That's nice.
Yes, I like to eat with my coworkers.
Your coworkers. The people you work with.
Yes. It's nice to eat together and talk.
Let's practice. Say, I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Now say, I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Good. What time do you eat lunch? Write it in the comments.
And what do you usually eat? We want to know.
Evening routine. Okay, now let's talk about the evening.
The evening, that's after work, in the afternoon and night.
Emily, what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m.
And then, what do you do?
I go home.
You go home by bus?
Yes, I take the bus home.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. So you arrive home
At 5:30. 5:30.
Great. I finish work at 4:30 and I drive home.
How long is your drive?
About 20 minutes. So I arrive home at 4:50.
4:50, almost 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, everyone, let's practice. Say, I go home.
I go home.
Now say, I go home at 5 o'clock.
I go home at 5 o'clock.
Excellent.
So, Emily, when you arrive home, what do you do first?
First, I change my clothes.
You change your clothes. You take off your work clothes and put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, I change into comfortable clothes like a t-shirt and sweatpants.
That sounds nice and relaxing.
It is. What about you?
I do the same. I change my clothes too.
Then what?
Then I rest for a little while.
You rest. You sit down and relax.
Yes, maybe I watch TV for 30 minutes.
That's nice.
What about you?
After I change my clothes, I cook dinner.
You cook dinner every day? Yes, almost every day. What do you cook?
Different things. Sometimes pasta, sometimes rice with vegetables, sometimes chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
Dinner and night routine. What time do you eat dinner, Emily?
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m.
7 o'clock. I eat dinner at 6:30.
6:30, a little earlier.
Yes, I'm usually very hungry by then.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes. But sometimes my wife cooks.
That's nice. You help each other.
Yes, teamwork.
Let's practice. Say, I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Now say, I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Very good.
After dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
You wash the dishes. You clean the plates, cups, forks.
Yes, I wash the dishes every evening.
That's responsible.
Thank you. Then I relax.
How do you relax?
Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I watch a movie or a TV show.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it's my free time.
Free time. Time to do what you want.
Exactly. What about you, Paul?
After dinner, I also relax. Sometimes I play with my children.
Aw, that's sweet.
Yes. We play games or read stories together.
That's wonderful.
Then, around 9 o'clock, my children go to bed.
9 o'clock. Bedtime for the kids.
Yes. And then I watch some TV or read.
Nice. Bedtime. Paul, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
10:30. That's good.
Yes, I need to sleep well.
Me too. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, a little later.
Yes, I like to stay up a little later.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Before bed, what do you do?
Before bed, I brush my teeth again.
Good. Brushing your teeth before bed is important.
Yes. And I wash my face.
You wash your face.
Yes. Then I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas, the special clothes you wear to sleep.
Exactly. Then I go to bed and I sleep.
Perfect routine.
Thank you.
Let's practice one more time. Say, I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Now say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. So,
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
great. What time do you go to bed? Early or late?
Write in the comments
Write in the comments.
and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.